All right, today we're going to do a video of an Okuma LB-3000EX-II-MYW. It was new in 2013. It has an OSP P300 LA control. Machine has a tool presetter, a parts catcher, right now the main spindle is running at 1,000 RPM. That's 2,000 RPM. That's 3,000 RPM. I'm going to do the C-axis. It's a full C on the main and the sub. I'm going to jog the axes. That's your Z axis. Your X. And then your Y. Index the turret. All the tool holders that are mounted will go with the machine, and there's a few extra assorted tools that you can see in the photos. We'll run the live tool now. That's 1,000. That's 2,000 on the live tool. That's 2,600. All right, we'll switch to the sub-spindle now. That's your W axis. We're going to run the sub-spindle. Okay, there we go. Just had to disable the C-axis on the main spindle. That's 1,000 on the sub-spindle. That's 2,500. That's 3,500. Nice and quiet. That's the C-axis on your sub-spindle. Again, also a full C. The machine has an LNS Quick Load Servo 80 S2 bar feed. It also has the high pressure coolant system, a chip conveyor. It can be seen under power. Thank you for watching.